You're scrambling to get dinner ready after work, and your phone just died, you can't even check the recipe. You need that extra minute to finish cooking, but now you're stuck staring at a dark screen. That's where having a reliable TV like the Samsung QN43Q7F 43-inch comes in. It fixes that moment of frustration instantly. This smart TV isn't just any ordinary set, it's 100% color volume with quantum dot means colors are more vivid and lifelike than ever before, so you can see what's cooking on your screen with crystal clear accuracy. Imagine being able to finish dinner without worrying about your phone dying. The Samsung QN43Q7F 43-inch makes that possible. One of the most impressive features is its Q4 AI processor, which means it's super fast and efficient at handling all sorts of tasks, from smooth video playback to quick task switching. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your TV. Just imagine being able to switch between different apps or shows seamlessly without any interruptions. Another standout feature is Tracking Sound Lite. This advanced 3D audio system keeps you immersed in the action on screen, even when things get intense or dramatic. Whether you're watching a movie or playing an immersive game, you'll feel like you're right there in the middle of it all, and that's exactly what makes this TV so amazing. But what really sets the Samsung QN43Q7F 43-inch apart is its secure setup with 𝐂𝐤. This advanced security system keeps your personal info safe and protected from any potential threats, giving you peace of mind whenever you're using the internet or accessing sensitive information on your TV. The Samsung QN43Q7F 43-inch isn't just a great TV, it's also incredibly future-proof thanks to its advanced quantum HDR technology. This means that you'll be able to enjoy stunning contrast and lifelike imagery for years to come, without worrying about things looking old or faded over time. Overall, this TV is a game-changer. It's not just something you buy for the sake of having it, it genuinely fixes real problems in your day-to-day life, like making your phone not die on you when you need it most. So why wait? Check out the link below to get the best deal and experience the power of this incredible Samsung TV for yourself. So imagine using this TV tomorrow morning, waking up to a beautiful sunrise that really does look like one, and having that perfect moment to start your day off on the right foot. That's what owning the Samsung QN43Q7F 43-inch can do for you.